So we started the Oranjezicht City Farm in 2012 as a bunch of neighbours as volunteers on a piece of ground that was kind of neglected in our neighbourhood. The goal was really to find other like-minded people in the area. And so the approach that we take is really growing food with a purpose, having people get to know one another and build social fabric. Growing food together is a way of kind of finding ways to connect outside of those things that often divide us. We started a market as part of the farm project about 5 years ago, and it just took off. The interest in that sort of thing, both from the food but also from the social connection, was huge. And eventually it became too big to be adjacent to the farm, and now it's a separate thing. When it left here, there were about 1,200 people a week on a Saturday would come. Now there are between 4,000 and 7,000 people a week who come. And that market is buying in from over 25 smallholder local farmers. One of the best ways that people can get the food that we grow here is by subscribing to a weekly, we call it a box of veg. It's actually loose and you pack it yourself in the bags that you bring.